Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply fix your app not installed problem on Android. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, what you would do is, first thing would be simply for you to check your internet connection, because if your internet connection is not good, you go to your Play Store, install a particular app. It takes a little while for you to install it, and the connection is on and off in between. That will cut the create a problem in installation. It will be gone in between and it will want to reconnect again. That can cause the problem for the same, so you'll have to make sure that your connection is good. Other would be simply go to your settings and then you scroll down, you go to this option called apps, and you find your particular app, which is a Play Store for us, where we download our app from, and we're gonna go ahead tap on this storage option. And now you can see we're simply gonna go ahead first clear our cache from it, so it can work a little well if there is some issue happening within the Play Store app itself. And we're gonna again go back and install our particular app, reconnecting with a good internet. So that will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.